Namaste, welcome back to Ayurvedic Essence, and this is Dr. Arnabha. Almost every week, women come to me and say, Doctor, I am confused. Some reports say I have PCOD and some say PCOS. Are they the same or different? Today, let's clear this confusion once and for all. I will explain the difference between PCOS and PCOD, both from modern science and Ayurveda. PCOD is polycystic ovarian syndrome. It's a lifestyle disorder. The ovaries release many immature or half mature eggs which later turn into cysts. This lead to irregular periods, mild hormonal imbalance, weight gain, and sometimes difficulty conceiving. Think of PCOD as the early stage. It's more about the ovaries being sluggish due to that diet and lifestyle issues. So, what's the Ayurveda's view? PCOD is linked to kapha aggravation and blocked Artava Shrotas, the channels of reproduction. By correcting kapha and cleansing the toxins, PCOD can often be reversed with lifestyle change. So let's come to PCOS. PCOS is polycystic ovary syndrome. PCOS, on the other hand, is the metabolic and hormonal syndrome. It's more severe than PCOD, so it includes high androgen levels, which leads to acne, facial hair, and hair loss. Insulin resistance, making weight loss very hard in PCOS. So, irregular or absent ovulation, causing infertility. Mood swings, fatigue, and long term risk of diabetes. Think of PCOS as a systemic condition. It's not just the ovaries, but your whole body's metabolism and hormones are out of balance. So, what is the Ayurveda's view of PCOS? PCOS is a deeper imbalance of kapha, pitta, and vata with weak Agni and high toxic. So, what is the Ayurveda's view of PCOS? PCOS is a deeper imbalance of Kapha, Pitta, and Vata with weak Agni and high toxic. It needs structured approach, diet, lifestyle, herbs, and stress management. So, let's come to PCOD versus PCOS. To simplify, PCOD is ovarian disease, milder, mainly lifestyle related, and easier to manage, whereas PCOS is hormonal metabolic syndrome, more severe, needs long-term holistic care. A woman with PCOD may still ovulate and conceive naturally with lifestyle correction, but in PCOS, ovulation is often absent and fertility support is usually required. So while the terms are often used interchangeably, PCOS is a more advanced and more serious condition than PCOD. So whether it's PCOD or PCOS, don't lose hope. Both are your body's signals, not punishments. Ayurveda teaches that every imbalance can be restored with the right diet, routine, and mindset. When you balance your digestive fire, detoxify your toxins, and pacify your doses, your hormones start to heal naturally. Remember, your body is not against you, it's just asking you to slow down, listen, and nurture it back to harmony. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who's struggling with PCOD or PCOS. Together, let's spread awareness and the Ayurvedic way to true hormonal balance. I am Dr. Arnab and I will see you next video with more Ayurvedic wisdom for women's health. Thank you so much for watching.